Jr. and out there all by himself in the final row. Fast time setter tonight, record track breaker here tonight. That is Michael Bilderbeck setting fast time track record for the super lates. Here they come! Green flag and we're racing!
And it's going to be the 17-year-old in the 17 machine of Max Kaler out front. Right behind him, Jill Olsen in that 24 machine.
Looks like the fast lane's going to be the outside this time around as Beal's having a little bit of trouble on the inside. Like he was kind of steering a little left, a little right, maybe getting a feel for it. Now he still wants to stay to the inside as Rich Bickle is going to go by him. Here goes Austin Nason to go by John Beal. And Michael Bilderbeck's looking to do the same.
Yeah, all kinds of trouble on that low side. Beal trying to find a good one, couldn't find it. But right now, Max Kaler in a battle with the 24 of Jim Olsen. And watch out for that 119 of Dalton Zier, who's creeping around on that low side.
Zier looking the inside of Olsen. Olsen just about ran in the back of Kaler. Wasn't sure what was going to happen there. Zier slides back into third. Bickle sliding to the inside of Zur. We could have a battle for third place.
And there's a good battle, but it's still the kid, the 17-year-old of Max Kaler out front. Jim Olsen second. Dalton Zier in third, and Rich Bickle Jr. in that 4 spot. And Nason rounding off your top 5.
Zier looked like he made a move to try to fake out Olsen on the inside. Went back to the outside as Olsen went ahead and grabbed up that spot. But here comes Richie Bickle.
And he's in a battle with Dalton. Had a little problems in turns 1 and 2, so he got himself off the pace. But it's still Max Kaler and Jim Olsen in that 1-2 spot. Dalton Zier right around there with that 14 car of Austin Nason. Your top 4.
As here we go with Kaler. It's Olsen. It's Kaler. We may have a battle. Whoa.
Whoa. They'll go door to door. Jim's going to keep it steady, but it's still Max Kaler out front. Dalton Zier in the 119 found his way into that second spot. Jim Olsen having all kinds of problems, but maintaining that third spot as the number 14 of Austin Nason wants to get around him, but not just yet.
Better to be safe than sorry for Austin Nason. He's waiting to see what was going to happen with the 24 of Jim Olsen. We got a battle for the lead. It's Zier on the inside of Kaler. 1 to go. Whoa, hang on to it. Whoa, look out.
Oh, my goodness.
White
Dalton
flag.
Zier.
Zier goes around, and they're still going green flag.
He's got to get out
Yellow
of there.
flag.
Yeah, he can't now. He's got to get out of there.
So we're going to have a 30. Okay, they're going to check or they're going to finish that race right there. Who won that race?
17.
Let's find out who won that.
I believe Max Kaler, the 17 machine.
Wow. What a finish, ladies and gentlemen, for some super late model action in the first heat race for them as they're going to run out here for the Hugh Deery Classic 99. They're going to go 99 laps out here later tonight. That's just the first race of these drivers. Yeah. Wow.
Max Kaler on the 100-lap feature when the Midwest Tour was here. He finished 4th in that feature. He's having a good year in his first year of the super late models.
This race definitely very important for all the super late model drivers as the winner tonight in the Hugh Deery Classic 99 will get a guaranteed starting spot for the National Short Track Championship on that Sunday, September 29th race. So a lot's on the line here for these drivers.
Out of Caledonia, Illinois, Windsor Auto Sales, Retool of Rockford, B&K Concrete are the prime sponsors of that 17 machine.